What's going on, guys? Mika Rides here, and if you've been around the coaster community lately, you have probably seen that Top Thrill Dragster is most likely being redone by ZAMPERLA. Let's take a look at one of the reasons that this could be and why it looks way more likely than Intamin, and what the upsides and the downsides would be. So yeah, let's go right into it. If you're new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot and gets the video recommended to more people. Anyways, as you can see here in this video by Lake Erie Lifestyles, track and supports have arrived on scene, and we can expect more to start coming throughout the rest of the season. But as you can see, the supports are gray and the track is white, so that means that the stuff that was being painted is not primer and that it is paint. So we can expect this to be sort of the color scheme. Shout out to Robbie on Twitter for letting me use this picture. He made it. But yeah, this thing's kind of funny to me because when they originally announced that Dragster is being redone in January, on their website they had this picture up and the color scheme was literally in front of us the entire time, but no one ever thought to look at this. So maybe a lot of things about this is actually we can actually know, but we just don't know that it's related to this. So that's one thing to keep in mind. This was in front of us the whole time. Maybe some other stuff is. And now into the main reason why I can basically guarantee that this project is a ZAMPERLA project and not an Intamin project is that the track that Dragster was shipped off to, that we all went crazy because it went to the Italy port and everyone thought it was going to the Intamin thing, but then everyone realized that the ZAMPERLA thing was close. But anyway, that same route that the Dragster track is taking back is the same route that the Wild Mouse track brought back. So massive shout out to Station Wait, and he has an awesome YouTube channel. You should check it out. Thanks for pointing this out to me and letting me use this. That yeah, the Dragster track is basically following a reverse pattern of what the Wild Mouse track took to get here. So that's why I can basically say this is guaranteed to be ZAMPERLA and not Intamin. So kind of thinks that's not Intamin. But let's look at what the upsides of ZAMPERLA would be and what the downsides would be and why it might not be as good as not Intamin. The biggest upside of this project would be that ZAMPERLA becomes a big name in the industry, that they have done stuff like this now, because as I'm sure you know, as you're looking at their models right here, they haven't done anything like this at all. And that means that this would introduce them as a player in the industry if they could pull this off, and that's a good thing. However, that same upside is also a downside. They've never done anything like this. Because look, most of their thrill rides are launch coasters, which I mean that's a good thing. They have some experience in launches, but they have no experience in a project this massive. From my knowledge, they don't even have anything half this size, which is a problem, as I'm sure if you've been to Cedar Point or if you've seen on the internet, Wild Mouse has not been very reliable, and that is very concerning, as if they can't keep a Wild Mouse coaster open, it makes you wonder how they can be able to keep a Strata coaster open. But we're gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. But that's also the biggest downside with that. They haven't done anything like this because most of their things are family thrill coaster, family launch coaster, junior shuttle spinning coaster, junior coaster, family coaster, super twister coaster, powered coaster, double heart coaster. Nothing in here shows anything in relation to Strata coaster or even hyper coaster. So that's one of the reasons I'm not too excited about this, and we don't really know what they would do with it if they were to do anything other than the spike. Like, we don't know how these lightning trains are going to run, even though that's one of the upsides though. The lightning trains are a big upside. Is from what I've heard about those trains are very comfortable, and ZAMPERLA has said that they can run at any speed. So I'm going to take their word on that, and if they're comfortable, that's really good. But then again, they just have no experience in this, and we don't know what they would even do with the layout. So yeah, that concludes today's quick Dragster video. I just want to get this one out there. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. It helped me a lot. And like the video so people can be seeing my more. But yeah, if you want a no trim shirt, go to my merch store. Links in the description. There might be a promo. I don't know right now. But yeah, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.